Hey pet lovers, welcome to Pawdacity. Your cat sleeps up to 16 hours a day. 16 hours. That's more than almost any other animal on the planet. And in all that time, while they're sprawled across your keyboard, or twisted into a pretzel on the couch, or somehow folded into a salad bowl, they're sending you a message. Every single position means something. The way they curl, the way they sprawl, whether their belly is exposed or their face is buried, whether they're touching you or deliberately 2 inches away. It's not random. It never was. Your cat has been communicating with you in their sleep this whole time. And today, you're finally going to understand what they've been saying. Before we get into the positions, let's talk about why cats sleep the way they do. Because it changes everything about how you read them. Cats are crepuscular, most active at dawn and dusk. The rest of the time, their bodies are conserving energy. They're built like sprinters, not marathon runners. Short, explosive bursts of energy, then full recovery mode. But here's what most people don't realize. Even in sleep, a cat's nervous system is on standby. They are never fully off. So, when a cat chooses to sleep in a certain position, especially a vulnerable one, that choice carries enormous weight. Their sleeping position is a live report on how they feel, about their environment, about their health, and about you. Let's decode it. The loaf. Paws tucked neatly beneath the body. Tail wrapped around the sides. A perfect, self-contained rectangle of cat. This is one of the most common sleeping positions, and one of the most misunderstood. The loaf position is a cat that is comfortable, but not completely switched off. They're in a light rest state, aware of their surroundings, keeping an eye on things. Think of it like a human lying on the sofa with the TV on, relaxed but not asleep, present. If your cat loafs near you, on the same sofa, at the end of the bed, on your desk, that's companionship. They want to be in your space. They just haven't fully committed to sleep yet. The curled ball, nose buried into tail, every inch of the cat folded inward, a perfect circle. This is deep sleep mode. When a cat curls into a tight ball, they're doing 2 things simultaneously: conserving body heat and protecting their vital organs. In the wild, this position keeps a sleeping animal warm and minimizes the surface area exposed to potential threats. But here's what's fascinating about your domestic cat doing this. It doesn't necessarily mean they feel unsafe. It can simply mean they're cold, or that they're going in for a truly deep sleep, and their instincts are kicking in automatically. Learn to read the tension in the curl. That's your real answer. And here it is, the one that makes every cat owner's heart explode. The belly up, all 4 paws in the air, entire stomach exposed, 0 defenses, maximum chaos energy. This is the single most vulnerable position a cat can sleep in. The belly contains all of their vital organs. In the wild, exposing it is almost unthinkable. So, when your cat does this, in the middle of your living room, on your bed, on the floor for absolutely no reason, they're telling you something enormous. The belly up position is the highest trust rating a cat can give their environment. If your cat sleeps like this regularly, you have created something truly special for them. Now, important note, the exposed belly is not always an invitation to touch it. Many cats will show you the belly and then immediately grab your hand if you go for it. Read the mood before you make your move. The Superman. Flat on the belly, all 4 legs fully extended, looking like they have been gently dropped from a great height. This position is almost exclusively a warm weather move. When a cat stretches out fully on a cool floor, tile, hardwood, even a cold countertop, they're maximizing the surface area of their body in contact with something cool. They're regulating their temperature, but there's more to it than that. The Superman also signals a cat that wants to be ready to move. Unlike the curled ball, this position allows them to spring into action quickly. They're resting, but not fully offline. If your cat does a Superman near a door or window, they're watching, resting and watching, always on duty. The side sleeper, fully on one side, legs loosely extended, completely horizontal. This is deep, genuine REM sleep. The side sleeping position exposes the belly partially and leaves the legs unguarded. It's almost as vulnerable as the belly up, which means almost as much. A cat that side sleeps is a cat that has fully switched off. They're dreaming. Their paws might twitch. Their whiskers might move. They're chasing something in their sleep that only they can see. This is a cat that feels completely at peace in their environment. Face hider, paw over the eyes, face buried in a sofa cushion, head tucked into your armpit like it's a 5-star hotel. Adorable? Absolutely. But what does it mean? There are 2 readings here. The first, light sensitivity. Cats' eyes are extraordinarily sensitive. Even ambient light can disturb their sleep. Covering the face is a practical solution, built-in blackout curtains. The second, emotional comfort. When a cat buries their face, especially into you, they are seeking warmth and security in the most literal sense. A cat that sleeps with their face buried in your clothing or pressed against your skin is treating you like a security blanket. That's not nothing. That's everything. The monorail cat, draped over the back of the sofa like a fur stole, legs dangling, completely committed to an objectively uncomfortable-looking position. This is a cat that runs hot. Elevated surfaces with airflow on both sides help cats cool down. The back of a sofa, a banister, a thin shelf. These are natural air conditioners for a cat that's too warm. But there's another element here, height. Cats feel safest when elevated. High ground gives them a view of their environment. They can see threats coming. They feel in control. The monorail cat is doing 2 things at once, cooling down and surveying their kingdom. And then there's this one, not near you, not beside you, on you, your chest, your legs, your feet, your face, if they can manage it. When a cat chooses to sleep directly on your body, they are making the most deliberate choice in their entire sleep vocabulary. Your heartbeat is familiar to them. Your warmth is consistent. Your scent is safety itself. Studies have shown that cats who sleep on their owners show lower stress indicators than cats who sleep alone. This isn't just affection. It's therapy. For them. When your cat sleeps on you, they are choosing the safest place they know. And that place is you. Most sleeping positions are healthy and beautiful. But there are a few you should watch for. A cat sleeping in a hunched position, body curved tightly, head low, not relaxed, may be in pain. This is different from the curled ball. The hunched sleep looks like the cat is trying to hold themselves together. A cat suddenly sleeping in unusual locations, especially cold floors, behind the toilet, in isolated spots they never used to choose, can be signaling that something is wrong. Cats often withdraw when they're unwell. Changes in sleep duration matter too. A cat sleeping significantly more than usual, or barely sleeping at all, can both be red flags. You know your cat. you know they're normal. If their sleep looks different, tense where it used to be relaxed, isolated where it used to be close, trust that instinct. A vet visit is always worth it. 16 hours a day. That's how long your cat sleeps. And now you know, not one of those hours is wasted. Not one position is random. Every curl, every sprawl, every time they drape themselves across your lap or bury their face in your sleeve, it's a conversation. They've been talking to you this whole time. You just needed to learn how to listen. Drop a comment and tell me, what's your cat's go-to sleeping position? I want to know which one they've claimed as their signature move. If this video helped you understand your cat a little better, hit subscribe. We break down cat behavior every week in ways that'll genuinely surprise you. And if you know someone who thinks their cat is just random and chaotic, send them this. Because they're not. They never were. See you in the next one.